Gold, the eternal symbol of wealth, power, and beauty that has captivated humanity for thousands of years. Factory Sphere, mastering the chemistry of gold through American innovation, precision, and responsibility. Pure 24K gold, refined right here in the USA. Factory Sphere integrates traditional chemistry with modern automation and safety systems. Today, inside a modern American gold refinery operated by Factory Sphere, we reveal the complete U.S. process that turns raw earth into pure investment-grade gold bars. It all begins with gold ore mined right here in the United States. Huge rocks are reduced to manageable sizes in the first mechanical stage. The process begins with brute mechanical force to liberate the gold. Step 1. Crushing the ore into smaller pieces using powerful industrial crushers. The crushed ore moves continuously through the processing line. Next, the ore is ground into a fine powder slurry inside ball mills. Cyanidation remains the most efficient method for extracting gold from low-grade American ores. In the cyanidation stage, the slurry mixes with a weak alkaline cyanide solution at controlled pH.
Load the fresh carbon evenly!
The carbon becomes loaded with gold. Activated carbon efficiently absorbs the gold in the widely used carbon in pulp process in U.S. refineries. Carbon adsorption captures even microscopic quantities of dissolved gold. Efficient carbon handling maximizes gold recovery rates. The gold-loaded carbon moves to elution columns where hot caustic solution strips the gold. Residual materials are recycled to minimize losses of precious metals. This fine grinding liberates tiny gold particles trapped deep inside the rock. Advanced dust suppression and safety systems protect workers and the environment throughout mechanical processing. Pumping systems maintain continuous flow between every processing stage. Modern gas handling systems make the Miller process safe and efficient at industrial scale. Oxygen is essential for the Elsner reaction that dissolves the gold. Gold reacts with cyanide ions and oxygen to form the soluble gold-cyanide complex according to the Elsner reaction. For ores with high silver content, the Merrill-Krauss zinc precipitation method is preferred. The Merrill-Krauss process remains valuable for certain ore types common in the U.S. Mechanical filtration prepares the concentrate for high-temperature smelting. The process is carefully monitored by flame color and fume analysis until completion. The gold concentrate is smelted at over 1100 degrees Celsius to produce doré bullion containing gold, silver, and minor impurities.
Skim it clean on this side!
Slag containing impurities is removed. In the Miller process, chlorine gas is injected directly into the molten gold at high temperature. Chlorine selectively reacts with impurities like silver, copper, and iron, forming removable chlorides while gold remains largely untouched. Silver chloride and other impurity chlorides float to the surface for easy removal. Chlorine chemistry rapidly converts base metals and silver into skimmable or volatile chlorides. Modern chemistry performs the delicate selective separation work. Pyrometallurgy manages the high-temperature melting and impurity removal stages. This impure doré is cast into anodes ready for further chemical refining. From raw ore to these perfect bars, every step is tightly controlled for maximum recovery and purity. These cathodes can achieve 5 nines purity or higher after sufficient deposition time. The Miller output serves as ideal feedstock for electrolytic refining. The Wohlwill process delivers the ultra-high purity demanded by investment and electronics markets. Electrowinning recovers the gold onto cathodes using controlled electrolysis. The Wohlwill electrolytic process uses a gold chloride electrolyte solution and electric current. Gold dissolves from the anode and selectively plates onto the cathode through electrochemical reactions. Deposition continues until the desired thickness and purity are achieved. Only the highest purity metal proceeds to the final bar casting stage. The ultra-pure gold is remelted in a controlled induction furnace for final casting.
Test sample looks good. Continue.
Real-time monitoring guarantees consistent purity upgrade. Precise input measurement ensures accurate process control and yield calculation. These higher purity anodes now proceed to the final stage of purification. The result is gold upgraded to commercial 99.5% purity suitable for most bullion applications. Molten gold is precisely poured into bar molds under strict temperature control. The bars cool slowly under controlled conditions to prevent defects. Precision pouring guarantees consistent weight and surface quality across every bar. Controlled cooling produces the signature smooth yet slightly textured finish of fine gold bars. After deposition, the high-purity gold cathodes are harvested from the cells. Each bar is carefully removed and visually inspected.
Looks good. Prepare the next one.
In the on-site assay lab, advanced spectroscopy confirms the chemical composition meets strict U.S. standards. Only bars that pass rigorous testing are approved for final packaging. This electrolytic gold achieves 99.9% to 99.9% purity, 4 or 5 nines. Yield tracking from cathode to bar maintains full accountability. Every bar is weighed with laboratory-level accuracy to meet weight specifications. Bars receive permanent stamps including purity, serial number, and refinery marks. These marks ensure full traceability and authenticity for investors and markets. Automated systems verify every bar meets exact weight tolerances required for trading. Accepted bars move into the high-security storage vault. Factory Sphere Gold is trusted worldwide for its consistent quality and traceability. Ready for global markets, each bar represents American refining excellence. Secure packaging prepares the bars for safe delivery to banks, mints, and investors. Each bar is packaged with multiple anti-tampering and security features. The bars are now ready for secure transport to vaults, mints, and global customers. Final stamping adds permanent identification for global recognition and trust. From tons of rock containing just grams of gold to ounces of pure 24K bars. Sustainable practices include recycling activated carbon for environmental responsibility. Valuable byproducts such as silver are recovered and processed separately from the slimes. Strict environmental controls and detoxification ensure responsible U.S. operations. The transformation from ore to bullion is both scientifically precise and visually spectacular.
This batch looks flawless. Move them forward.
Human expertise combined with technology ensures zero defects. Even microscopic gold particles are efficiently recovered through advanced chemistry. This completes the American gold refining process, precision chemistry transforming ore into pure wealth. This is the end result of American gold chemistry, engineering, and dedication.